Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm teacher Ricky. In today's video, I'll be sharing some tips of addition for the pupils of Year 4, Year 5, and Year 6. Now as for Year 4, we solve addition number sentences involving up to 4 numbers with the sum within 100,000. As for Year 5, solve addition number sentences up to 5 numbers involving numbers up to 6 digits with sum within 1 million. And Year 6 is somewhere similar to Year 5, just a number getting bigger, right? So next one, tips of addition. Now in tips of addition, I'll be sharing 4 tips here. The first one, it will be adding from bigger number. Second, friends of 10. Third, friends of pairs. Fourth, placement of digit, right? Let us look at add from bigger number. Now, I'll be giving you example 4 plus 8. If you are doing addition such as this way, 4 plus 8, so you definitely will imagine there are 4 picture there. So you start to count after 4, which is 5. All right, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, I get the answer, 12. But what if I try to arrange from bigger number first, which is 8 plus 4? Therefore, I only imagine there are 4 picture there, and I start to count after 8, which is 9. So 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, I also get 12. So it is actually saved some time here. Next tip is actually friends of 10. Now here I'll be showing you a number sentences like this. 7 plus 8 plus 3. And I want to see 7 and 3. It's actually friends of 10. 7 plus 3 is actually equal to 10. So 10 plus 8. Okay, 10 plus 8, which give you 18. The table here helps you to figure out who is the friend of 10. For example, 1 plus 9 equal to 10, 2 plus 8 equal to 10, 3 plus 7 equal to 10, 4 plus 6 equal to 10, 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Alright, now next I'll give you another example like 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 9. Can you figure out who is the friend of 10? Yes, the first one is actually 1 and 9, which is 10. And 4 and 6 also equal to 10. Therefore, I can get 10 plus 10. So then the answer is 20. Okay, next tips is actually friends of pairs. So here, 3 plus 8 plus 8. Now, friends of pair, it means both number is same. So here, the friends of pair is actually 8 plus 8, which give you 16. But if you remember the times table of 2, then this is 2 times 8, which is 16. Yeah, so 16 plus 3, which give you 19. Okay, so this is the table of friends of pairs. For example, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, 3 plus 3 equal to 6, and so on. So actually here is actually times table of 2, if you remember that. For example, the first one, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 4 times 2, 8, 5 times 2, 10, and so on. So by using the friends of pair, it might save you sometimes when doing the addition. For example, like this example, 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5. Now I look at that, I know there is actually friends of tens and also friends of pairs. But here, I will go for the friends of pairs, which is 5 and 5. 5 and 5 is 10, or you can say 5 times 2, 10. Now, 7 and 7 here, friends of pair. So 7 times 2, 14. Alright, so 10 plus 14, then you get 24. Next tip is actually placement of digit. Okay, here I'll be showing you a number sentences And these number sentences, I'll be arranging them in standard form like this and also like this. So both answer different. So which answer is wrong here? All right, it's actually the left-hand side one. Why left-hand side is wrong? Because the placement of the digit is wrong here. You should be starting the digit from ones here. Everything starts from ones and then followed by 10, then hundreds and so on, right? Remember the placement, very important. If you arrange wrongly, then the answer also wrong. Next, addition of number sentences, right? Okay, here this is number sentences 6,047 plus 35,865 plus 263. Okay, first, arrange them in standard form. Now remember the placement of digit, we should be arranged from the ones, right? Okay, starting from ones here. 7 plus 5 plus 3. Is there any tips that you can use? Yes. What about 7 and 3? This is actually friends of 10. Yeah, I know 7 and 3 equal to 10. So 10 plus 5, 15. Therefore, 1 and 5. Good. So next row, this one. 4, 6, 6. Do you see any tips there? Yeah, you can use friends of tens, or I can use 6 and 6 here. Friends of pair, where 6 times 2 equal to 12. So 12 plus 4, which is 16, plus 1, 17. 1 and 7. Okay, so how about this row? Yeah, 8 and 2. This is friends of 10. Now, this is 10 plus 1, 11. 1, 1. Now, 1 plus 6 plus 5, you can add from the bigger number because there is actually no friends of pairs, no friends of tens. So add from bigger number. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So 1 and 2. Lastly, 1 plus 3, which is 4. Now, this is how you do the addition. Okay, by using the tips. Adding from bigger number, friends of tens, friends of pairs, and also placement of digits. Alright, next one, solve bracket in number sentences. Now, sometimes in the number sentences of addition, there is a bracket that asks you to find, which you might headache, right? So don't worry, I will be sharing how to solve this problem. Okay, in order to solve these number sentences, you can imagine a smaller number. What number plus 2 equal to 6? Now, this is the total, right? So what number plus 2 and you can make 6? You can relate subtraction here. You relate subtraction to solve the bracket. Yeah, by taking the total here, 6, you minus 2. Then you can get the bracket. Same goes to here. You are taking 63,000 and you minus 2,500 in order to get the bracket. Okay? So I arrange them according to the placement of digit. Now, starting from ones here, 0 minus 0, which is 0. 0 minus 0, which is 0. Now, 0 minus 5. Not enough. So I have to borrow from here. Yeah, so 3 becomes 2. And this 2, when comes to here, it becomes 10. Right. So 10 minus 5, which you get 5. And then 2 minus 2, which is 0. 6 minus 0, which you get 6. Yeah. So this is how you solve the bracket. And one more tips. 63,000 is the total. So whatever in front there must be less than the total. If you get the bracket number is bigger than the total, it means your calculation are wrong. So do calculate again. Right? Okay, next example, 7,420 plus bracket plus 250,837 equal to 436,408. So the bracket is in the middle right now. Right? How do you solve it? So you can imagine there is actually a smaller number. 4 plus how many plus 2 equal to 10. Actually, these two, I can plus first. Okay, these two I total up. So I get 6. Now, 6 plus bracket equal to 10. Now you can relate subtraction to solve the bracket actually. So from the total, you minus the 6. Then you can get the answer. Same goes to here. So the first step, I'll be taking 7,420 plus with this. Alright? So arrange the number according to the placement of digit. So 7 plus 0, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. 8 plus 4, which is 12. So 1 and 2. 7 plus 1, 8. So this bring down 5 and this bring down 2. Okay, the first step, I total this and this. Now, second step, I'll be taking the total here, the final total here, minus whatever is here. All right, so 436,408 minus 258,257. Okay, starting from the ones here, 8 minus 7, which is 1. Okay, 0 minus 5, not enough, so you borrow from here. All right, so 4 becomes 3, and the 0 becomes 10. Therefore, 10 minus 5, which you get 5. And 3 minus 2, which is 1. Now, 6 minus 8, not enough. I have to borrow from 3 here. So, becomes 2. And here, the 6 becomes 16. Okay? 16 minus 8, which you get 8. Right? Now, 2 minus 5, not enough. I have to borrow from the 4. So, the 4 becomes 3. And these 2 become 12. Right now, 12 minus 5 is 7. 3 minus 2, which is 1. So, this is the final answer. And I check, this final answer is actually less than the total. Next, keywords related to addition. Now, sometimes when you solve the problem, there are actually keywords there to help you identify you should use addition or subtraction or anything. So, what are the keywords that are related to addition? For example, here, more than, total, and, increase, sum, altogether, and so on. There are actually many keywords related to addition, but these are the common keywords that usually use in problem solving, right? So I've been giving you a problem here. Table shows the number of sales of mandarin orange during night market. So calculate the total number of sales of mandarin oranges in 3 night market. All right, so this is the table, night market. A, this is number. B, 45,154 more than. Now the keyword more than A. C, 99,108. So step number 1, you have to know what to solve. Okay, look at the problem. Calculate the total number. Yeah, you're actually finding total of mandarin oranges in 3 markets. Step number 2, you are going to solve the problem. A plus B plus C, right? A plus B plus C. Then you can get the answer. You want to solve, right? But hold on. We don't know the value of B. So we need to figure out the unknown value, which is market B. Now, given the information here, 45,154 more than market A. So market A is actually this, so more than. Now, still remember the keywords more than in addition? So you'll be doing addition here. So 261,938 plus with this. So 307,092 is our B, market B. Now we get the value for market B. So we can proceed to step 3, solve the problem by taking A plus B, and then plus C. So here, if you arrange them properly with the placement digit and by using tips of addition, right, such as adding from bigger number, friends of tens, friends of pairs, then you might solve the answer here. Alright, so in this video, I have shared with you some tips of addition and also keywords, right? So what are the tips here? So adding from bigger number, friends of tens, friends of pairs, placement of digit, and some keywords related to addition. Right, I hope this video might help you in doing addition of number sentences. Right, I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.